How to get Chromas in Blooket. Chromas are the rarest blooks in Blooket, and here's how you can unlock them. No hacks, just legit methods. So, Chromas often drop during limited time events. Save tokens ahead of Halloween, Valentine's, or spring events to maximize your chances. Some Chromas are hidden in themed boxes. They cost thousands of tokens and drop rates are very low, so patience is key. Occasionally, Chromas appear in the market for direct purchase. Keep checking the rotation so you don't miss them. Blooket sometimes run giveaways or promotions. Following official updates and community groups helps you catch these rare opportunities. Chromas are rare collectibles, not gameplay boosters. The best strategy is saving tokens, watching events, and staying active in the community. That is how to get Chromas in Blue Kit.